Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. I ordered SwissGear Suitcase. So this is Christmas and we are traveling, so our suitcases need some kind of changes. So it's time to replace with new ones. So I got this one. This is called SwissGear. One thing about this SwissGear that made me order this is because of its durability. It's quite durable, the portability, the features it has. That one made me to order this. I'm just gonna bring it out and show you guys what it looks like. This is what we have. Alright guys, this is what we have. You can see the Swiss logo here. You can see the logo here, so the tag and the logo. And also if you have a look here, you can see it's all boldly written all over it. This is SwissGear. I love the material. The material is quite thick, which is good. I'm just gonna have a look at the zips. It has different compartments. This is a bigger one. This is a bigger one, and they have a little one up here. So 1, 2 zipper, and the main zip where you put your clothes. Okay guys, you can see how massive it looks. I love the mesh part. Look at it here, SwissGear. And also the straps. We use the straps to make it fit in properly in the box. You can see. If you want to add more storage to your bags, all you have to do is unzip the second zip, which is here. So when you unzip this zip, this is it here, it kind of gives you more room in the box to add a few more things. So this one here. So if you don't want it, just leave it closed. If you want to add more room, you unzip it. Thereby it's bringing up your box to give more room. Thought to show you guys. Thank you. Bye.